Hello everyone, myself Dr. working as Assistant Professor in the Department of Pharmaceutical Chemistry of College of Pharmacy. Today me and my students, we are trying to provide you with insights into the organic qualitative analysis test which we are carrying out in order to find out what type of the sample is given to us, that is whether it is an acid or it is a amine type of the compound or a aldehyde or a ketone. So to give the little bit more insights to it and the information associated with that, I will call my student Anusha for giving the details.
Organic qualitative analysis is done to detect the elements like nitrogen, sulfur, oxygen and halogens present in the given organic compounds. We know that usually hydrogen and carbons are already present in the given organic compounds. There are totally 6 tests to find out the elements present in the organic compound. First one, preliminary test. Second one, ignition test. Third one, Bayes test, that is action of KMNO4. Fourth one, action of bromine water. Fifth one, elemental analysis or lastingness test. Under this again 3 tests are there: test for nitrogen, test for sulfur and test for halogen. Sixth one, solubility test, and there is a particular confirmation test for particular.
Let's start with the qualitative analysis for given organic compound. First one is the preliminary test. The first one is state. The given compound is colorless and it is solid. So we can say that carbohydrates and simple phenols may be present in the given compound, and the odor of the substance is odorless. Second one is ignition test. Take a small quantity of substance in a nickel spoon and burn it. It burns without soot and there is a white residue left. So we can say that the given compound may contain aliphatic urea may be present. Third one is Bayes test or action of KMNO4. In a test tube, add a little quantity of substance and 1 ml of sodium carbonate and 1 ml of potassium permanganate. Colorization takes place in the solution so that we can say that the compound is having easily oxidizable side chain.
Fourth test.
Action of bromine water. In a test tube, take a small quantity of substance, to that add a bromine water. It PPT without a decolorization, so we can say that the substance may contain unsaturated compound. Fifth one is elemental analysis or a lastingness test. Take a small metallic piece of a sodium in a sodium fusion tube, to that add a little quantity of substance, heat the sodium fusion tube till the bottom of it become a red hot, then transfer it to the china dish containing a distilled water, cover with the wire gauze, filtrate that, then we will get a stock solution. In elemental analysis, there are further 3 more tests are there: test for nitrogen, test for sulfur and test for halogen. First one is test for nitrogen. In a test tube, add a stock solution plus 1 ml FeSO4, that is ferrous sulfate solution, and 1 ml NaOH, that is sodium hydroxide solution. Boil the solution and cool it, then acidify with sulfuric acid, that is H2SO4. Then we will get a blue color solution. We can say by this we can say that nitrogen is present in the given compound. Second one is test for sulfur. In a test tube, add a stock solution and sodium nitrofluoride solution. No color, no pink color, so we can say that sulfur is absent in the given compound. Third one is test for halogen. In a test tube, take a stock solution, to that add a dilute HNO3, that is nitric acid, heat it till the volume become half of it, then add a equal amount of water to that, then add a little drops of AgNO3 solution, that is silver nitrate. We will get no PPT, so halogen is absent. Sixth test is solubility test. Take a small quantity of substance in a test tube and dissolve it in a water. It is soluble in a water, so we can say that group 1 and 2 are may be present. If substance is soluble in water, then only go for solubility test for ether. In a dry test tube, take a small quantity of substance and to add to that add a small quantity of ether. It is insoluble in ether. So that we can say that group 2 compounds acetamide, urea, thiourea and sugars may be present. Test for group 2. Take a small quantity of substance in a nickel spoon and burn it. It burns without a soot and there is a white residue left, so that we can say that the given compound is aliphatic and urea is present. There are two confirmation tests for urea. First one is Bioread test and second one is derived preparation or urea nitrate test. First one is Bioread test. In a dry test tube, take a small quantity of substance and heat it till it melts. Then resolidifies, then dissolve it in a small quantity of water. To that add 1 ml of sodium hydroxide solution. To that add a drop wise copper sulfate, that is CuSO4 solution. Then we will get a violet color solution, so that we can say that urea is confirmed in the given test. Second confirmation test, that is derived preparations or a urea nitrate test. In a test tube, add a small quantity of substance and dissolve it in a water. To that add a concentrated HNO3 solution, that is nitric acid. The crystals of urea and nitric acid separates us, so that we can say that urea is confirmed in the given compound. Lastly, we can say that the given compound is aliphatic and unsaturated compound and it has easily oxidizable side chain. By performing the solubility test, we can say that it is soluble in water and insoluble in ether. By performing the elemental analysis, we can say that nitrogen is present and sulfur and halogens are absent in the given compound. So, by performing all the organic qualitative analysis, we can say that the given compound is urea and the structure of urea is. Thank you.